Have you ever wondered how to become rich in today's world? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 ways to build wealth that are tried and true. These methods have helped countless individuals achieve financial success, and with dedication and the right strategies. And I know that you can make it too. So, let's get started. The first way is to invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market has historically been one of the best ways to build wealth. Why? Because over time, the stock market has provided high returns. Imagine your money growing while you sleep. The key is to invest wisely. One popular strategy is long-term investing. With the buy and hold strategy, you focus on buying high-quality stocks and holding them for many years. For example, investing in index funds like the S&P 500 has historically provided annual returns of about 7 to 10% after inflation. Another great option is dividend stocks. These stocks pay you a portion of the company's earnings regularly. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and Coca-Cola are known for their reliable dividend payments. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Robinhood make it easy to start investing. And the best part? You can start with just a small amount of money. Now let's talk about some tips for success when investing in the stock market. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Time is your greatest ally in building wealth through compound interest. Consistent contributions. Regularly add to your investment accounts to take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. This strategy helps smooth out the effects of market volatility. Educate yourself. Continuously learn about market trends and investment strategies. Staying informed helps you make better decisions and adapt to changing market conditions. By following these tips, you can set yourself up for long-term success in the stock market. 2. Real estate investment. Real estate is another powerful way to build wealth. When you own property, you can benefit from property value appreciation and generate rental income. One approach is investing in rental properties. You can buy a house or an apartment and rent it out. For example, you could purchase a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other, a strategy known as house hacking. Or you might consider short-term rentals using platforms like Airbnb. This can be especially lucrative in popular tourist destinations. If buying property seems daunting, you can invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. These allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. Companies like Realty Income Corporation and Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VNQ, are great examples. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul can also help you get started with real estate investment with lower costs and less hassle. 3. Entrepreneurship. Have a brilliant business idea? Entrepreneurship might be your path to wealth. Starting your own business means unlimited income potential and the freedom to follow your passion. Start by identifying market needs. Do some research to find gaps and create products or services to fill them. For example, you could develop a subscription box service for niche markets like gourmet coffee or fitness gear. A solid business plan is crucial. Use tools like LivePlan or BizPlan to create a detailed plan outlining your goals and strategies. If you're not ready to start your own business, consider investing in startups. Platforms like AngelList and Seed Invest connect you with promising startups where you can provide capital in exchange for equity. Remember, entrepreneurship requires hard work and persistence, but the rewards can be tremendous. 4. Develop multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. By developing multiple income streams, you can increase your overall earnings and financial stability. Side gigs are a great way to start. Offer your skills and services on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or programming, there's always a demand for skilled professionals. You can also look into part-time jobs or gigs like teaching, tutoring, or driving for rideshare services like Uber or Lyft. Another powerful strategy is creating passive income. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or create digital products like ebooks or online courses. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, and Udemy make it easy to start. The key is to leverage your skills and automate your savings and investments to build wealth faster. 5. Continuous education and skill development. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. By continuously improving your skills and knowledge, you can enhance your career prospects and earning potential. Consider pursuing advanced degrees or professional certifications in high-demand fields like technology, healthcare, and business. For example, an MBA for business professionals or a master's in computer science for tech enthusiasts. Online platforms like Coursera, edX, and LinkedIn Learning offer courses from top universities and companies. You can learn at your own pace and stay up to date with industry trends. By aligning your education with your career goals and applying new skills in your job, you can demonstrate value and advance your career. Now, let's talk about some general tips to help you on your financial journey. Budgeting and saving. Track your spending with tools like Mint or YNAB and automate your savings to ensure consistent contributions. Debt management. Monitor your credit score with platforms like Credit Karma and focus on paying off high-interest debt first. Financial planning. Set clear financial goals and consult with a certified financial planner to create a plan that works for you. Emergency fund. Maintain an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net provides peace of mind and financial security. Remember, building wealth takes time and discipline, but with these strategies, you're well on your way to financial success. So, start today, stay committed, and watch your wealth grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tips on achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.